Welcome to RG Lite. In this video we have presenting RG Lite Flood Lights. RG Lite Flood Lights come in 3 variants. First variant, RG Lite 50 watt floodlight. Second variant, RG Lite 100 watt floodlight. Third variant, RG Lite 200 watt floodlight. Product features: CCT 4000K, frequency 50 Hz, color temperature red, blue, pink, green, white, warm white, neutral white. Low power consumption, aluminum body, fully waterproof, dust resistant. Uses: it used in mostly outdoor illumination, security lighting, sports events, construction sites, stage lighting, photography and film production, architectural lighting, public events and festivals. RG Lite thanks you for watching the video.